So total sale by salesperson. Short form highest to lowest. Okay. First the question is so total sale by salesperson. Okay. So where are you? Total sale. Total sale by salesperson. Okay. So it is the total sale by salesperson. Then what is it? Short form highest to lowest. Okay. Just right click on total sale, then go to sort and largest to smallest. As I highest to lowest. Yeah, highest. So Frank is the Frank is sold the highest uh, sale, and also you see the top three here. Okay, so third question also be done. Now what is the next question? Create a pivot table showing average unit price by product. So